And so there you are, the first plate, you guys, of those beautiful fork and knife ready center cut boneless pork chops, barbecued in the oven, roasted and then barbecued in the oven. Go over the recipe and the cook show so you can just make that dish, save the recipe for your guests, your fiance, husband, wife, whoever, or your event. So you want to just impress someone with some good comfort food for any occasion. Yeah, you're going to love that dish. I tell you, you can smell the green peppers, the onions. You could smell the corn with the that's full of green pepper, red pepper, onion mixture. We've got some good cheesy potatoes, all gratin potatoes. Some added parmesan to that, cheese to that, some chives. Is that beautiful? And you got some croissants, mini croissants. Uh-huh. And that's a full dinner. Yeah, say you're giving a beautiful luncheon for the ladies or something. You are going to absolutely love this. And I just thank y'all for coming. Share, like, share, subscribe, y'all. And keep coming back. You got to hit that notification bell so you'll get the uploads. And I'm going to see y'all next video. Be blessed.